Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is India's first hydrogen-powered train. India is set to launch its first hydrogen-powered train, marking a significant step towards sustainable transportation. The train will run between Jind and Sonipat railway stations in Haryana, with its trial run scheduled for early 2025. Developed by the Research, Design and Standard Organization, the train is India's first major move towards hydrogen-powered rail services. The model displayed at an expo was named Namo Green Rail, although the train itself has not yet been given an official name. Drishti IAS is excited to announce its first offline batch of IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at Noida Center. Hindi medium batch will start on 9th December at 11:30 am and English medium batch will start from 12th December at 6 pm. For more details, call us on 9311 406 440 or visit us at C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Metro Station Noida, Sector 15. So hurry, book your seats now. Now let's discuss about key features of the hydrogen-powered train. The train features 8 passenger coaches designed to carry a total of 2,638 passengers on a single trip. It has a maximum speed of 110 km per hour, making it suitable for short distance travel. The hydrogen-powered system eliminates the need for diesel or electricity, offering a cleaner alternative to conventional trains. It is the first large-scale hydrogen-fueled powered train initiative globally, setting India apart in the development of alternative rail fuels. Now moving on to implications and global significance. India's hydrogen-powered train is a major step towards eco-friendly transportation solutions, aligning with the country's goals for sustainable development. The successful implementation of hydrogen trains could set a precedent for other countries, particularly those seeking to decarbonize their rail network. This breakthrough positions India as a leader in green transportation technologies and serves as a model for other nations aiming to reduce their carbon footprint. The initiative also highlights India's growing commitment to innovation in clean energy and climate action. Now is the time to test your knowledge. Which railway stations will India's first hydrogen-powered train run between? Delhi and Gurgaon, Jind and Sonipat, Chennai and Hyderabad, or Lucknow and Kanpur? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.